Today, we're exploring whether the Apple iPad 9th generation is the best budget tablet for 2021. Let's dive into its features and drawbacks. The iPad 9th Gen introduces significant updates with the A13 Bionic chip, boosting performance for a seamless user experience. Its 10.2-inch Retina display offers vibrant and crisp visuals, perfect for various tasks from photo editing to video watching. Starting at 64 GB of storage, it marks an improvement from its predecessors, providing ample space for all your needs. The device boasts a versatile camera setup with a 12MP front and an 8MP back camera, catering well to video calls and photography. A standout feature is its all-day battery life, ensuring the iPad keeps pace with your daily demands without frequent charging. Touch ID integration offers both enhanced security and convenience for users, simplifying device unlocking and transactions. Despite its strengths, the iPad's design remains unchanged, potentially disappointing those expecting aesthetics similar to the iPad Air or Pro. The A13 chip, while powerful, isn't the latest, possibly underwhelming tech enthusiasts. Also, the base storage might be insufficient for some, and the lack of a USB-C port restricts connectivity options. Concluding, the Apple iPad 9th generation offers a compelling mix of performance and value, though it may not satisfy all user expectations due to its design and some hardware constraints. For more insightful reviews, don't forget to like and subscribe to Review For You. Your support enables us to continue providing quality content. Thank you for watching.